Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ramzan night shopping is on and the streets are literally glowing right now, and I see bangles, outfits and food everywhere, and I don't know where to start, so come with me. And now, as soon as I entered, I spotted these beautiful bangles, and they're so pretty. This place is actually really close to my home, so I just came to check out how the Ramzan exhibition looks. And honestly, I'm already loving the vibe.
कितना है एग्जैक्ट और ड्रेस क्या है कितना मटेरियल
And here on the roadside, I saw this beautiful dresses, and some are semi-stitched and some are just materials. And the best part is prices are very reasonable. And I like the style of Muslim dresses and earrings. They look so elegant and grand. And here it's full of party wear, and you can also wear in sangeets, weddings, and all. And I'm definitely going to buy something today. So usually I shoot dance videos, so I need more jewelry. So wherever I go, I definitely buy these things. And these are just 100 rupees, and these are really beautiful, and you can wear on weddings and sangeets and all. Here I can see beautiful flowers, mehendi cones and mehendi stickers. I like sharara so much, so I usually do dance videos, so I need more shararas. So I just came here to buy some sharara model dresses, and he was telling it was 4,000, but he said he will give it for less price after bargain. Right now I keep on exploring the street market, and I found this shop, and this shop is so attractive because the dresses are really great. So I just want to see. So I went inside, and this shop has many collections, and everything looks so grand and elegant, and all are party wear.
ये लार्ज है शरारा में आया फुल हैंड्स है स्लीव्स फुल है फुल ही आएंगे 3/4 आएंगे
इसमें कलर्स है,
ये लास्ट पीस
कलर्स
कलर्स लास्ट
और लास्ट पीस.
शरारा है वाइट में
Usually they wear some dark colors like black, pink and green. So here it's white, and I asked the colors, but colors are not available. So I bought this white dress for 3,000.
एनी टाइम
से देखिए 1000 का 2 है
1000 का 2
1200 का 2 है 1600 का 2 पीस है 2000 का 2 पीस है
1000 दी वाला
600 1 पीस
600
600 500 800 1000 रुपीस ये सामान 600 का
ये वाला मटेरियल सेमी स्टिचडा सेमी स्टिच कितना
दिस इज 1000 रुपीस
ओके सेमी स्टिच
आपको रेडीमेड चाहिए क्या
Hey, look at these beautiful chappals. I just love it. The designs and colors are so vibrant, and they would be perfect for Eid, right? And I bought few pairs of chappals. It's completely party wear, Let me know in the comments which one you like the most.
थ्री हंड्रेड
ये नहीं, ये 1500।
1000 ये वाला
ये 300।
2500
पूरा फैंसी आइटम
మెటీరియల్
डबल चाहिए, किंग साइज चाहिए।
And look at this head chains. I don't know what you call, but it looks so attractive and looks something different, right? And also look at these hats that boys wear, and there is such a wide varieties from simple everyday styles to grand festive ones, and I just love seeing all these options. And it's truly an eye-catching feast. The shopping never seems to be end. Every corner has something new and beautiful. And the crowd is really thick today. Most people have just ended their fasting and have come out for shopping. It's so lively and you can feel the festive energy in the whole area. And these are the night dresses. You know what? It's just $250.
गाड़ी को गाड़ी काम में
Eid isn't complete without halim, and the aroma is amazing and so tempting.
This is basically we're gonna open a cloud kitchen after our plan.
Okay, okay.
Highlight that name and like.
So you're a physiotherapist.
I'm a physicist. Yeah.
And he gave it for taste. The aroma is amazing and it's so delicious.
So we add some toppings in that, like we call it as barista.
Okay.
Actually, this is a fried onion.
Okay, the fried onion. Just to give the taste and all.
He wants to get an extra taste.
Extra taste. Okay.
That's a homemade
What's
thing.
the name of this?
A strawberry delight.
Strawberry delight.
Ma'am?
So it's very tasty. All the best for you.
Even we do have our Instagram page.
Okay.
Sayan Catering.
What is it? Your name?
Sayan Catering. 100, 200 people. We deliver their food, everything. We have a plan. Basically, it's all from Hyderabad.
Okay,
So
okay.
we have chefs from Hyderabad. We call
The
them.
person selling this
Okay,
delicious halim is actually a doctor. It's amazing to see someone balancing their profession and also sharing such tasty festive food with everyone. Here are some food stalls. Let's see.
डब्बा कितना भैया? ये क्या है?
Welcome, man.
What is this?
Juice.
Juice. Strawberry. That is your shop. वो वाला shop.
And these are mehendi cones and stickers, so it's so simple. Just apply mehendi on the sticker and peel it off, and you'll get a beautiful design instantly, and it's perfect for Eid celebrations.
ब्लैक में 38 चाहिए।
हाँ.
इधर दो मंडे ये
कितना का?
100 का दो दीदी, एक का 60 आता।
मालूम है सर, मालूम है। मैं किसी को बोलता नहीं सर, किसी को नहीं बोलता।
ये वाला देखिए दीदी, जबरदस्त। 60 रुपए का ना, 100 को दो।
क्या?
October chicken wrap. October chicken wrap.
Okay.
That's all.
I'll get.
So that's a wrap on my Ramzan street shopping. I did a lot of shopping today. I bought beautiful chappals, dresses, attars, and many more. And the streets were full of life, colors, and amazing food. And I hope you enjoyed coming along with me. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like button and also drop a comment telling me your favorite find, and make sure to subscribe. And thank you for coming along with me. Eid Mubarak in advance, and may your celebrations be full of joy, colors, and yummy treats. Thank you. Bye bye.